Kavita, and her bail plea is coming up in court today. It's expected to be coming up at about 2:30. And this is in Delhi's High Court. Kavita, who was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in the alleged Delhi liquor policy scam on the 15th of March from Hyderabad. The CID had gone and arrested Kavita while she was in Tihar jail. Now, as far as the order is concerned, the CBI, while opposing the bail plea, stated that further investigation is at a very crucial stage, which is why they need the custody of Kavita. To get more on this, we have my colleague Uma joining us. Uma, Kavita has maintained that she's a mother of two, and on those grounds has been seeking bail, but that has been getting rejected repeatedly. Her case is coming up in court today yet again. Take us to the grounds that the ED has been making in order to keep her custody.
So Kavita is accused of corruption by the CBI and of money laundering by the Enforcement Directorate in the Delhi excise scam, and she was arrested on the 15th of March by the Enforcement Directorate in Hyderabad and subsequently taken to Delhi, and when she was in Tihar jail is when the CBI had also arrested in this very case. So Kavita's bail plea that came up before the trial court, it was rejected by the trial court, after which that was on the 6th of May, after which she had in fact approached the High Court, and the orders were reserved on the 28th and to be spelt out today at 2:30 p.m. At the courts today. What we know is that Kavita's lawyer has been arguing, saying that she is the only woman among the 50 accused in the case, and the woman needs to be is put in legal parlance on a pedestal, and therefore she can be granted bail as well. But the ED has been arguing, saying that she is the main conspirator. In fact, this political person cannot claim the same vulnerability or the parity with other women, because she is in fact a very active politician and MLC, and in fact the main accused, main player, they say, in this economic offence, and they are also saying that she is someone who could influence witnesses, and already the CBI has said that she had tried to influence a witness and force them to change or retract their statement as well. They are also putting before the court, saying that she had allegedly tried to or had destroyed evidence related to the case as well, and further investigation in the case could be hampered if she is let out on bail. That's what the agencies from their part have argued. The Enforcement Directorate has in fact called this a deep-rooted, multi-layered conspiracy, and they have also said that they believe that the proceeds of crime, they have put a figure to it, 292.5 crore, of which 100 crore was used in the form of kickbacks that was paid and that was used to fund the elections in Goa. And they are also talking about 192 crores again that was as part of the Indo-Spirits that came about as proceeds of crime. So they have given these figures, said that she cannot be given parity as a vulnerable woman, and also that she can further hamper the investigation. But on her part, Kavita has argued, saying that she has nothing to do with the excise scam, and she has also said that this was all a part of a conspiracy by both the central government as well as by the ED.